Today I'm sharing 3 simple and frugal Greek recipes that are perfect for autumn. Comforting fakés, lentil soup, a bright lemony Spanakorizo, spinach risotto, and a traditional Fanouropita cake. These are the kind of dishes that warm up the season without stretching your budget, and they're easy enough to make with ingredients you probably already have at home. I have already set the lentils to boil with a bay leaf, and while they're cooking, I'm making Fanouropita. This is a simple spiced cake that's connected to Saint Fanourios. Tradition says you bake it when you've lost something and ask for his help in finding it. People used to share it with their neighbors, passing around a piece of cake along with a blessing. It also happens to be completely vegan, which is the reason I love making it. I'm making these the way my grandmother and my mother taught me. Simple and frugal, but full of comfort. If you would like to have these recipes as printable cards, I have made a set for my Patreon, which I will be officially launching on the 1st of October. They are designed to match my planner style, so you can keep them in your kitchen or meal binder. But if you just want to try the dishes, you will find all the ingredient lists in the description below. By the time the cake is in the oven, the lentils are ready for the next step. This is where they start to become fakés, the traditional Greek lentil soup. I add olive oil, tomato, carrot and salt and let it all simmer together. You can also add onion and garlic, but my sensitive stomach cannot really handle those, so I'm skipping them. It's such a humble dish, but it's filling, comforting, and one of the most frugal recipes you can make. This morning I'm starting with the What's Cooking page from my planner bundle. I like to write down the recipe of the day, the ingredients I will need, and a few notes. It keeps me organized for both cooking and shopping. Making Spanakorizo, a traditional Greek spinach and rice dish. A spinach risotto of sorts. It's simple, lemony and very frugal, the kind of everyday food Greek families make often. I'm using frozen spinach here, which is just as common as fresh, and it makes this dish quick and easy. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed these simple, frugal Greek recipes and that they bring a little comfort to your autumn. I'll see you soon in the next one.